How's it going? So, for my first main idea from chapter 3, I have cultural value patterns form the basic guidelines that we use to evaluate our own behaviors and the behaviors of others. And this will help us to become more competent intercultural communicators. And so, the quote that I have is from page 47. Systematic cultural value analysis helps us to grasp the alternative paths that other cultures may prefer in their ways of thinking, valuing, and being. And so basically, what the author means by this is that using these cultural value patterns that are in this chapter will better understand why people of other cultures think a certain way that they do, why they do certain things that they do, and what their values are. And this is obviously important because if we're going to be engaging with these people in an intercultural communication, it's important to understand, what the other party, where they're coming from, I guess is what I should say. And then the other main idea is kind of ties in, but the further we dig deeper into our own values and socialization process, the more we can understand why we're prone to quick judgments about the behavior and value of others. And so on page 70 is where I found my quote. And I have the more we're willing to dig deeper into our own value lens and understand our own socialization process, the more we can understand why we form quick evaluative judgments concerning other people's bizarre way of thinking and behaving. And so, understanding ourselves and where we're coming from will help us be able to put into perspective either similarities or differences that someone else may be thinking. And I think there's kind of like an overarching human set of values that most cultures would follow. And so, right off the bat, I'm sure there'll be a lot of similarities. But understanding ourselves is crucial to understanding someone else in any sort of context, in my opinion. And yep, that's what I've got.